In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Jira issue back to the backlog from an active sprint. If your sprint board is starting to feel cluttered, or you've realized that a task no longer belongs in the current cycle, moving it back to the backlog is a simple way to keep your team focused and your sprint planning accurate. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open your Jira project, switch to the backlog view, move an issue out of the sprint, and then verify that everything updated correctly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira cloud site. Sign in through your organization's normal login page if needed, and once you're on the main Jira home screen, open the software project you want to work in. This takes you into the project's main Agile workspace, where you can access your board and planning views. Once the project is open, look to the left-hand navigation menu. You should see an option labeled Backlog. Click that to switch away from the active board and into the backlog view. In this area, Jira usually shows your current or upcoming sprint near the top, with the main backlog listed below it. This layout makes it easy to move work between active sprint planning and your longer-term queue. Now find the issue you want to remove from the sprint. Click and hold that issue card, then drag it downward into the backlog section below. When you release it there, Jira will place the issue back into the backlog and remove it from the sprint. You may also notice that sprint totals and capacity indicators update automatically, which is helpful for keeping your planning realistic. If dragging feels awkward, especially in a crowded board or filtered view, there's another way to do it. Click the issue key to open the detail panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, locate the sprint field. Open it, then clear the sprint assignment or change it so the issue returns to the backlog, and save the change. This method is useful when you want more control over the issue details while you're updating it. There's also a faster shortcut for quick triage. Right-click the issue card, and if your Jira setup supports it, choose Move to Backlog from the context menu. That sends the item back without needing to drag it across the page. Before you finish, take a moment to confirm the change. Scroll through the backlog and make sure the issue now appears there, that it no longer shows an active sprint assignment, and that your sprint data reflects the update correctly. That's it. Your board is cleaner, your sprint is more accurate, and your team can stay focused on the work that matters most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in